Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and in this video we will cover a switch statement. I will discuss main points of a switch statement, but first let me show you syntax of switch. So this is this is the syntax of a switch statement. I will discuss a few points regarding switch statement. Number one, switch statement works like the value of an expression is successfully tested against a list of a constant. These are constants, okay? These are constant. When match is found, the statement sequence associated with that match will be executed. For example, if I pass of some value here and that value matches to the case 2, then the sequence of a statement sequence of a case 2 will be executed. And one thing, since from JDK 7 we can use a string literal or a constant to control the switch statement. So from JDK 7 you can also use string as expression in switch statement. And duplicate case values are not allowed. The type of each value must be compatible with the type of expression. So that means the type which you are passing here must be compatible with these case constant types. The default statement sequence is executed if no case constant matches the expression. So this is the default, and it will execute it when all these cases are false. The default is optional. If it is not present, no action takes place if all matches fail. So if this is optional, default is basically optional. Okay, if I remove this default from the code, this is not basically code, this is a syntax, so it's optional. If all the conditions are false, then no condition or no statement will be executed within a switch statement. But after that, if there is any statement, then that statement will be executed. When a match is found, the statement associated with that case are executed until the break is encountered. So this is the break keyword here. If you are let's suppose this constant is true, then there are 3 to 4. Okay, how many statements are there? There are 5 statements. So all these statements will be executed until the break is encountered. The break statement causes the program to flow to the exit from the entire switch statement and resume at the next statement outside the switch statement. So break statement is used here just because of to terminate the flow of a switch statement. So if this constant will be true, then all the conditions, all the statements will be executed, and when break is found, then this switch statement will be executed. Flow of the next statement will be executed. Now by using a syntax, we will write a program. So this is our program, basic program and switch statement. So we have created a simple program which will identify your rating. Now I have one variable, the identifier of the variable is a rating, and rating is a 5. Now this rating will be evaluated in the switch statement. So the 5 will come here. Okay, so 5, the first case will be matched just because of the first case value is a 5. So in this case our rating will be excellent, and after that the switch statement will find break keyword, and this break keyword will exit the execution of this whole switch statement. The statement after switch will be executed. Your rating is 5. So let's compile this program. Rating is excellent. Your rating is 5. So when I pass 3 here, so now let's see the output. Now you can see the output when I pass the 3 here. Now you can see the output: average, low, invalid, rating. All these three statements are executed here. Why? Just because of I did not put the break statement here. So we have already covered the break statement will exit the execution of switch statement by not putting the break inside any case. Then all the case will be executed just because of it did not find the break statement to break the execution of this switch statement. So for this, let me add a break statement in case 2 and 3. You notice the case 3, we have not defined anything in case 3. So whenever the value of rating is a 3, then it will find the case 3, but there is no any statement or a break statement, so it will continue to the case 2. Okay, so now let's again compile, and now you can see your rating average and rating is 3. There is no statement inside the case, but I have put the break statement here, so it will execute the case 3 but no statement and then break. So the break will terminate the execution of the switch statement, and it will execute the statement after the switch. So your rating is 3. So this was a very simple example in the switch statement. Let me give you the simple example in the string. I know we have not covered the string yet, but for this switch statement I'm just giving you the simple example in the switch. Now when I pass the Java here, the language identifier or variable will have a Java, and it will evaluate it here in the switch statement. Now the case 1 is a Java. Okay, the first case is a Java, so it will matches the language variable to this case, and the both values are the same. Now this will execute this statement. The creator of Java is James Gosling, and our output is this one. There is a break statement, so this will not move to the case 3. Now let me remove this break statement and save and compile this again. Now notice there are two output, James Gosling and Dennis Ritchie. So this is just because of missing of a break statement. And when I pass Windows here, now let's see what will be the output. This is not a programming language, so Windows is not a programming language, but it is OS. Okay, so this is example in switch statement with the string variable, okay, or with the string type. Guys, you can also use nested switch statement. So guys, in this example I have used nested switch statement. The first switch statement, the outer one, will check for the languages, and the inner switch statement, which is available in the case Java. So in this when the language is a Java and this case is a true, then the inner switch statement will be evaluated by the value of year. Okay, so here I have typed the 18. So compile this again. and execute. Sorry, I did not save. So now creator of Java is James Gosselin. Here when this condition is true, then the creator of a Java is James Gosselin. Again, the second one is 11. Java 11 has been released just because of the value of the year is 2018. So Java 11 is released. So when I'm here 2020, valid year. Creator of Java is James Closing, invalid year, so the default is executed. 19. Now let's see. Creator of a Java is James Gosselin. Initial release of a Java, so 1991, the initial release of a Java version. Okay, so guys, this was example of nested switch statement. You can also put the if condition here if there is any. Okay, so you can also give a if condition here. Okay, any statement. Okay, and else any statement. So this was example of such a statement, and by using this syntax, we have create a program for the rating and as well as the to identify the creator of a language, and we have also used this nested switch statement to identify the year of initial release and version release. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. Thank you.